So welcome to 2025, starting off the new year in Ho Chi Minh City. Had a great celebration last night with a 15-minute firework display here in the middle of the city. I stayed in District 4 last night and actually went up to the rooftop of the apartment building, which is right next to the canal, and had a good view over the fireworks. Unfortunately, security kind of pushed everyone back from the edge of the building. So, but anyway, I ended up standing on a chair. I was pretty happy with the video that came out, but yeah, not too bad. But it's a nice day today. It's not too humid in Ho Chi Minh City today. Just had a nice coffee and just out walking around District 4. Crossing the road in Vietnam is always a challenge, but just need to walk slowly and just relax. Oh, a bit of pork here. Yeah. Bit of pork hanging up. Oh, pig trolley. Not too bad. You know, the local authorities do a good job making sure the streets are nice and clean and stuff like that. These people work very hard. It's good to see, you know, things are pretty clean. Everything's well organised. Sugarcane juice. Yeah, nice dragon fruit there. Durian. There's a nice durian there. See? So everyone parks their motorbikes here to go to the local market. It's actually quite a good market here in District 4. So if you want to try somewhere different, it's actually not too far from District 1 to come down and come over here because it's a very fresh market. So different experience, and you can see more the local Vietnamese life by coming over this area here. You can see the beautiful roses here.
Có thì đi về.
Xin chào. Yeah, and look at here, like we could have come and eaten in here. It's nice and clean, right? Maybe this is open at night time too. I don't know. The spring roll. He's doing the pineapple.
หมวกได้ไหม
Right.